One on there. If you want eyeglass, hold up. Ready. Glasses. Jump the man. Hold up. Now, I see your time. I saw him.
Jaja, another one. I hope everyone is doing okay. So Vybz Kartel, shell. When I say shell, him shell down Dominica. The people them are saying word for word. And when we think about it, when you artists, people are that this and that, Vybz Kartel is not the face of dancehall. Vybz Kartel time up, I'm like, what are they talking about? If Vybz Kartel is not the man of dancehall or for dancehall right now as we speak, why was Vybz Kartel the headliner for the World Creole Music Festival in Dominica? That's what I want to know. Why? Because Massacre was on the show. Them say Massacre around dancehall. So why Massacre isn't the headliner? Please, me I wait. But Massacre performed the 24th. Vybz Kartel performed the 25th. And stick a pin. If you watch both performances, if you watch the crowd, there's something you should take note of. If you tell you no, watch your style here. You have to stick around for the breakdown. Like the video can be very important. If you're new to the channel, click the bell because you can't miss a moment. I was going over here, so somebody want that because them still a watch. Guapi everything. Plus, see, hey, the deal with Vybz Kartel and Guapi no normal, you know. You see the song I play, any weather, get each other. Hey, what a man great, he. What a man great. Me say, other day, me and someone a reason. And what you go say? Me bad mind Massacre. Because me say Massacre and a goat. Then him a go turn and say, we not going like Kartel a god. We not going like say people out here not like no rate Vybz Kartel. Of course we know that. We know that. But you see some people you cannot reason with them because them delusional. Them got to some levels in which you have to say, Jesus. Them really do that. Because they have nothing to say. Nothing substantial. Because them keep on say. They keep on saying Vybz Kartel need to stop the music. Why them not have the same energy for Sean Paul, Bounty Killer, Shaggy, Bounty Killer, in which all of them are older than Vybz Kartel. You know, somebody do a video that day and attack and age man, Ray Vybz Kartel was late. For those who don't know, you better know. But that not say, in dominance, in them 40s, need to be studied. No other artist ever do what Vybz Kartel do. And a prison make him bigger. And a prison make him do this and do that. Even if he never went to prison, all of this would have gone a couple of years ago. Just believe what me I say. You have to understand, no, Vybz Kartel is a generational talent. You want to talk about generational talent in a football, like the Messi, The Ronaldo. And right now, they must say Whisper is a generational talent for Jamaica. Yeah, Vybz Kartel is that person once in a lifetime, like a UCM boat. You're not going to see an next Vybz Kartel. Nothing close to a Vybz Kartel because I don't see the artist yet of the influence Vybz Kartel has, not had, has. Remember the man released from prison, you know? In an orange kerchief, and everybody wear a kerchief. And Vybz Kartel never said, go and go wear a kerchief. And this I wear, or put it in a song. People just start adapt. So people are come out here and I say them run the place, them are the man. Ask the school youth, them where they go school. If them have a bus, what name genocide, vendetta. Please, may I wait. But me can tell you, say, you had bus that say Gaza. And people may say, yo, this, what may I talk about? That is small. No. That is the magnitude of a Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel is a mega superstar. Me I get off topic because more you have to beat and teach, you know, man. Make them understand who is Vybz Kartel. Because this man has been doing this for decades. And we not yet see a next artist who come close. Because see the Mavado hasn't been in Jamaica for almost 10 years. And in my opinion, this now, him can't afford stadium. Why you think you should not go stadium? And it's not taking from Mavado legacy. Not, but it's a show no. The category, the level in which a Vybz Kartel is. You see it. But you see the Dominica performance, the man that sing the one man there. The Lisa. Why? Vybz Kartel bought me up. So Vybz Kartel I perform one of his hits. The collaboration with Vanessa Bling. Yeah. Big hit. Classic. Because people don't understand, you know. Them would have things, them they sang them back there, that just normal song. That's a regular song. No, a hit song them, a classic them. As me tell you, do not watch the numbers. The numbers them deceive me because when them song they drop, Vybz Kartel had no YouTube channel. I come and upload it. Javi. Not Javi. JJ Epaphras. Crush Road, Dust Road. Some people don't even know them page, you know? Blood scene. All who know comment right now. Good. I'm not talk about no Rami quote. I talk about one of the greatest of all time. So, Vybz Kartel step out wicked on the stage. And based on my research, I think over 20,000 persons were there. And on Vybz Kartel 9, more persons were there. Believe me, I tell you now. Me not make up nothing. I just facts. And tomorrow now, Vybz Kartel kick off the Toronto. The Blood Scene Toronto tour. Presented by OVO, Drake. 26, 27, and 30th. It won't be nothing normal. It will be like a movie. It come like them don't know. Goat. Boom. But viewers, and also probably that video my last video. Until Melissa pass. Maybe let's see. I'm gonna keep safe all over in Jamaica. Keep safe. Because it's hurricane. If you touch, I can't do what them I say. It'll go the whole heap of damage. So we know so we go out. Internet, light, for at least a month. So that's my opinion. I saw that how far. Because right now, me I do a video, my phone have no signal. If me have no Wi-Fi, we couldn't do that video. Just believe what me I say. So if you haven't seen me for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, if you understand. No internet, no light, but we are there. in full effect. You know? Yeah, I represent. I'm out.